Just how big is a heart? Well, we'll tell you in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope. TVJ's Ken Morgan tells us how a partnership helped teens to get a new lease on life.
A Ray of Hope. A medical team of 16 on a cardiac mission, helping to make dreams come through, one heart at a time. These doctors from the United States are performing the last of 10 surgeries on teens who've been in dire need of corrective heart repair but couldn't afford it. The initiative, funded by the Organization for International Development, OID, gave A Ray of Hope access to the cardiac unit at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UWI, to witness the proceedings.
It gives them a second chance to life, and they're very grateful, and we're very happy that we are here to provide such a service to them.
Some of these people we operate on would probably not survive beyond 3-5 years without the surgery. So this is life-altering, life-changing surgery. It's going to improve their life in terms of length and the quality of life.
Listening to the hypnotic instrumentals of a Bob Marley song, the team works in unity. Some operate while others do blood transfusion, all working in tandem to ensure everything works out in favor of the patients.
We take our vacation time off, we pay our way down here, and it just feels good as a humanistic sort of endeavor to help people that otherwise have no option. So yes, we'd love to continue doing this.
I'm very excited for that because everybody has come together as a great team for these patients.
Abigail Smythe also has heart disease. She says with understanding the seriousness of the condition and the struggles it comes with, she joined the efforts in helping to get blood for the patient through her foundation.
They're much better now, they're doing great, and they can improve their livelihoods and move on with their lives without having to worry about dying from their heart disease.
All believe cardiac care in Jamaica can be improved, and so are encouraging people to help in whatever way they can.
We would like more local companies to come on board to help sponsor a lot of these patients, because the resources for cardiac surgery, they're quite expensive.
We need more people to donate blood so we can help cardiac patients. When you are donating blood, you're actually saving a life. You are adding years. You are helping parents save their children. So in doing that small thing, you are making a big difference.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan. A Ray of Hope.